Hey good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So today I'm super excited because I am going to unbox, or I'm going to show you my most expensive kitchen gadget. So I was able to get this Hisense fridge. As you can see, it's very nice. I'm going to show you how it looks like. This is the most expensive fridge in the Hisense brand. It's very nice. This is something that I really needed for my kitchen, and I'm glad that I've finally gotten it. So I'm going to show you how it looks like inside and outside. Okay, so this is how the fridge looks like. So it has 4 doors, as you can see. Okay, so I called in my technician to help me unwrap the fridge and also to show me how to operate it.
Uisukume mpaka ikiingia hivi unaipress hivi kidogo ikuwe level na hivi. So hiyo pipe already
it will connect automatically.
Bora tu ikuwe level na hivi.
Okay. All right. Sawa. So na hapa
ukishaweka maji hapa ukitaka kukunywa maji una press na hiyo glass yenyewe ndio una press nayo hapa hivi.
Glass gani? Utumii mkono? Hapana. Glass yenye unatumia? Kwa zinatoka na huko ndani. Okay.
Kwa hii hapa. So una press hivi na glass. Una make sure hii kitu iko katikati hivi, juu kuweka side maji itamwagika hapa.
Okay. Sawa.
Hii ni ya kuweka on display. Kama unataka ikiwa on, kuna vitu zinaonyeshanga
kwa screen.
So kama unataka hizo vitu ziwe on, hii switch inakaa on. Lakini ikiwa off hivi,
the screen is also off.
Inakuwa off, but inafanya. Sasa uone hizo.
Uone anything. Okay. Sawa.
Ukisimamisha hivi haitajifunga, naona ina lock. So hii always inakaa hivi. Mlango ndio ina direct.
Okay. Sawa. So this is how the outside of the fridge looks like. It has 4 doors, as you can see. All right. So the upper part of the fridge is the normal fridge. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Let me switch on the light so that I can show you better. So the fridge has 4 doors. So this is the upper part. This is how it looks like. So this is the ice maker. All right. It also has a water dispenser over here, as you can see. So these are the other compartments, as you can see. And the compartments are very big. All right. So this is where you store your fruits and vegetables. There are 2 compartments. So this is where you put your water. So this is where you open, you put your water inside here, and then you push it to the farthest end. Okay, so the water will automatically come throughout the door. It will come out through this place here. As you can see, there's ice, there's freezer, there's fridge, and everything. So this fridge is computerized, as you can see. So these are other compartments of the upper part. Okay. So it also has some 2 compartments down here, as you can see. So this is the freezer part. Okay. As you can see, compartments are here. They are quite big, as you can see. So this is another compartment. This is a compartment. This is another one. And we have another one over here. Okay. All right. You can see, so this is the screen. Okay. It's connecting, as you can see. Wow. So here we select English, then so this is the Wi-Fi. Okay. So it has many apps, as you can see.
你给他看。Maybe check inside what's.
Oh, so it can respond.
You say you can write anything. You can web or you can what time 9 a.m. drink what thing or do what thing.
Wow. Hey, technology.
You can create new one.
Yes.
That's right. Hisense. Or Monday you want to write
Yes.
here. Or Tuesday.
And it can save.
Yeah, you can save there. Save here is the save button.
Oh. So the top is the hey.
This one is one ice maker.
Yes, ice maker.
This one is a storage layer. Multiple storage.
Wow.
Even here, you add water.
Yes.
It will get cold water or ice cube or smashed ice. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, one. Even though they are making here from here,
Yeah.
you get ice.
Yeah.